Hello everyone, welcome back to the Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix the Asus ROG Ally is not connected to Wi-Fi or it is having an issue with connecting to the Wi-Fi. So right now, as you can see over here in the Asus ROG Ally, over here I have already connected to a Wi-Fi and there is no issue, but I had an issue like this before. So I tried some of the workaround which help it. So I'm going to show you these workarounds so you can try this out. The first one, when you're having an issue with the Wi-Fi, all you have to do is you just need to cross-check the router is properly connected to the outlet, which means you have to cross-check not only the Wi-Fi, but you have to cross-check not only the Asus ROG whether it's connected to the Wi-Fi or not. At the same time, you have to cross-check yourself whether the Wi-Fi router is working fine as well. So, if the Wi-Fi router is not working, and you're trying to make a connection, then it's definitely not going to work. So you have to cross-check yourself and you have to make sure that the Wi-Fi router is working fine as the first step. So if you cross-check the Wi-Fi router is working, the next step is all about you have to cross-check yourself on the Wi-Fi and you have to make sure it is connected and it is all working fine, and this is what you have to do. So if it's not working, then you just need to move to the next one. The next one is all about some of the possible workaround which can be done from your end. Is all about what you need to do is you just need to forget the network and we have to add it again. Sometimes this can even fix the issue. For this, we just need to go over here in the Wi-Fi over here. We have to tab over here in the Wi-Fi connection which you already there. You can go for a disconnect over here. And once you disconnect it, right now this is how it looks like. The next one is we have to connect it back. So you need to know the password. You need to do all the credentials. So just go over here in the connect automatically and tap over here in the connect once again. So just disconnect it and connect it back. And right now, as you can see, it is working fine and it is disconnected. It is connected, and if you want to disconnect, you have to try with this. Most probably when you disconnect it and try it back once again, the issue did work it for many of the users, so we can try this out as well. Next one, apart from this, is all about we need to try the next one. That is all about we need to do a reboot on your Ally as well as on the router. The next one is all about nothing but we have to reboot your Asus ROG Ally and we have to reboot the router as well. For rebooting the Ally, what we need to do is we just need to go over here, tap on the start icon, go to this particular icon over here, and we can go for a normal restart. So this is not like a forced restart, just do a normal restart. So once the restart is done, if everything is done with this, just go over here. You can either navigate to the settings. Now from here, once you navigate to the settings, or you can go over here in this particular icon and just make sure the Wi-Fi is connected. So once you're done with this one and the Wi-Fi route, the Ally is rebooted and it's all fine with this, you can do this simultaneously at the same time. What we just need to do is we just need to make sure the router has a reboot as well. So once after that, try connecting. Still the issues there, you can try with any other network. For example, you're trying to connect to one Wi-Fi. Over here, if you go over here, you can see that I'm already connected to one thing called FTTH 299F29954. So I just have to tap over here, and as you can see, it's already connected. So parallelly, you can see there are other connections possible available over here. So I can also try connecting to these as well as these and check whether the issue is not only with this particular router, but it is all working fine for this as well. For example, if the router is not working or the Wi-Fi pack or the MB which is already allocated is completely used up, then it will be showing you a message like connected, but you will not be having the internet connection. So what we need to do is we just need to cross-check our side. So we have to go over here in all these three and try connected to a new network and see whether the issue is solved or not. So even after trying with this, the issue is still persisting, you can try is all about what we need to do is we just need to run a troubleshooter. For running a troubleshooter, just go over here in the search and you need to search. You can go over here for settings, go for settings over here, tap on the settings. Now from here in the settings, you just need to go over here in the settings. Now from here we can go over here into the system. Now from here we can scroll down or you can navigate to troubleshoot option. So let me go over here. You can go to the system, from the settings, tap on the troubleshoot. Now from here you can tap on other troubleshoots, and now from here, as you can see, there are many options for network and internet, printer, Windows update, and audio, etc. So you can run a troubleshoot on the this particular one, and you can cross over here, and that will be cross-checked from there. And if any issues that it will be letting you know at the simultaneously. For many users, when they run a troubleshooter, it worked for them, so you can do the same. So once you're done with the troubleshoot and everything is working fine, and the issue is still persisting and you're not able to get into connected to the Wi-Fi and you don't know what to do hereafter, the next one is all about, you can try with the next one. That is all about, you need to check for the software update. That means you have to go to the settings, and from here you have to go to the Windows update over here at the bottom. We can navigate to Windows update, and right now as you can see I'm having two updates. Actually it's called cumulative updates, which is called KB updates as well. So if you have KB updates and cumulative update, just update your system first, and also make sure if there is any kind of pending restart is there. For example, even this can cause the issue up. So you need to tap on this particular button and you have to go for a restart now, and also make sure all these cumulative updates are updated and there is no any pending cumulative updates as well as, and the restart, so any kind of things are completely done. And once after that you have to close this as well, and you have to see whether the issue is solved or not. Still the issue is there and you don't know how to fix this up. The last and the least one is all about, you can completely do a reset on the network settings as well. So it did work out for many users, so you can try this out. So just go over here in the search and you can go to the net settings over here, go to the network and internet over here. Now from here what we can do is we just need to scroll down and there is an option called advanced network settings. Now from here what we need to do is we just need to go over here, network reset, tap on this one and go for a network reset. So once you go for network reset, what happens is you have to connect it back. It will be like a fresh start. So you have to connect it back, give the respective credentials on the Wi-Fi and the password, and once everything is successfully done, most probably this will be helping guys out as well. So even after trying all these steps, some of these steps are already related to the Asus ROG Ally, but still you are having the issue, what you can do is you can try doing a reset on the router as well. It is also possible to do a reset on the router. So try doing a reset on the router, and once after this, any one of these steps which I mentioned will be definitely working fine for you guys and will not be having any kind of trouble related to the Wi-Fi on the Asus ROG Ally. And I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.